If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
This is the unboxing and review of Stylus pen for all iPads built since 2018 with Pixel Perfect tilt sensitivity. I recently got my hands on the Kepro Stylus pen for my iPad mini 4, and I'm absolutely thrilled with it. The USB-C fast charging feature is nothing short of lightning fast. It can charge my device fully in just about 30 minutes. And guess what? I've been able to use it for hours without needing to worry about running out of juice. One of the standout features of this pen is its palm rejection and tilt sensitivity. Drawing and writing with it feels incredibly smooth and natural, like you're actually using a real pencil. It's perfect for taking notes and sketching, and I can't recommend it enough for those who love to create. Setting up the pen with Bluetooth was a breeze, and it worked flawlessly right from the start. The palm rejection and tilt sensitivity are top-notch, making it feel like a high-end tool. The battery life is also great, and the USB-C fast charging feature is super convenient. Plus, the pen has a nice heft to it, which adds to its overall quality. For the price, it's an absolute steal. Setting it up with Bluetooth was a breeze, and I love being able to keep an eye on my battery percentage on my iPad. The hotkey feature is also a handy touch, allowing me to undo an action with a single click. And let's not forget about the pen's appearance. It looks stunning, especially in the snow white color, and it's incredibly comfortable to hold. Oh, and it comes with 3 extra tips, which is a nice little bonus. If you're on the hunt for a more affordable alternative to the Apple Pencil that still delivers top-notch performance, I highly recommend this one. It's an absolute bargain for the price. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day.